back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets out there. And today we are going to talk about HP Mini 3115 out here. A very interesting gadget out here, a very interesting model by HP series. Mini series तो definitely home use के लिए इसको बनाया गया था. Mini series was specially designed for the home use. But talking about the mini series, we can say that it was not just that कि सिर्फ home use ही करें. Basically, it was designed for home use, but yes, corporate world also uses this kind of a gadget. Having a good trustworthy security chip system along with that operating system. Talking about the operating system, we can say that Microsoft Windows Professional Kit is being used. Yes, Windows Microsoft Office is being used out in this variant. Along with that, you also get to see that this version out here offers you a CPU and a chip system from AMD processor. Yes, AMD is one of the very trustworthy processing system out there. AMD uses this variant out there. E450 is being used, offering you a clock speed of 1.6 gigahertz. So this is really good and a very good version. Along with that, you get to see number of cores out here is a dual core processing. You get to see number of cores are dual core processor out there. Apart from that, the chip system is from AMD only. You get to see all the specifications out there. When we talk about this kind of a variance, then we know that storage is really a big problem or a major part for such mini sword gadgets or the compact gadgets out there. Now talking about the storage, then we can say that it has got really good storage out here, offering you L2 cache memory. So the cache memory out here is L2 cache memory. Along with that, it has got installed size of 1 MB. So the cache memory out here is of 1 MB overall out there. Along with that, you also get to see that the RAM out here has got a configuration with single slot. And the inbuilt RAM or the installed RAM out here is 4 GB. So 4 GB is the installed RAM out here. So that is really an amazing version. Talking about this variant, talking about this version out there, then we can say that this variant out here, mini variant, offers you a memory speed of about 1333 megahertz. So 1333 megahertz is the memory speed offered out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a configuration of memory that is PC3 10600 out there. Along with that, if we talk about this kind of a variant, then we can see RAM has to be of a very renowned type and a very affordable and a very compact type. So it uses DDR3 RAM type, which is really amazing to see in this kind of a variant. Along with that, if we talk about this variant, then the maximum support size is also provided because it has got two flotations. So you can find the maximum support size of about 8 GB. 8 GB is the maximum support size offered out on this variant. Talking about this mini variant out here, then we can say that not just the RAM but storage in the hard drive also needs to be good because storage is really important when the gadgets are compact out there. Talking about this compact gadget, then we can say that it offers you a spindle speed of 5400 RPM. Since there is a spindle speed, which is of 5400 RPM, so it is clear that it offers you a stored memory in about SGD type. And when we talk about this, then we can say that the capacity or the hard drive out there is of 3200 or 320 GB. Yes, 320 GB could be said out like 320 GB. Talking about this variant, talking about this version, then we can say that the display is also really good. This is not a very large display, not a very short display. Talking about the display, then we can say that it offers you 29.5 centimeter screen size, which is really good. 29.5 centimeter is the screen size offered out there. Along with that, it offers you LED backlight. LED backlight is being offered out there because LED screen is there. Along with that, it has the HD resolution and bright view technology or the bright view monitor featuring also seen there. So overall, if we talk about this variant, screen size is 29.5 centimeter with LED backlight, HD resolution, bright view display. So this is the overall display type it has. Talking about this variant or talking about the display only, let's talk about the display first. When we talk about display, then it is very important to know that display or the outcome out there is related to the uh, graphics out there. And talking about the graphics, then we can say that the graphical part out there is controlled by the graphic processor by ARM Radeon out there HD, which allows you the share video memory. Along with that, it has a good integrated webcam. Apart from that, stereotype speakers and microphones could be seen out because it offers you a good range of audio output and input out there. Along with that, voice control out there or the video recording is possible with this. These kind of things could be possible. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that this variant offers you good connectivity with other things. Like if you talk about the USB connectivity, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth connectivity, audio input output jack connectivity, power connectivity, no optical drive connectivity seen in this variant also. So overall, these kind of things would be seen. SD card connectivity, multi-ride card connectivity out there. So all these things are seen. Apart from that, if you talk about this variant, then we can say that it offers you 6-cell battery, which is a lithium ion battery, allowing you to have 55 volts capacity. So 55 volts capacity with a 6-cell lithium ion battery is seen out. So these are the overall specifications of this gadget. So let us talk about the pricing also. Talking about the pricing, we are at just at click.com. Yes, this website just at click.com offers you great number of gadgets. You get to have a large section of gadgets out there. You get to have a huge deals because they offer you pocket friendly rates. Yes, they offer you pocket friendly rates out there. Along with that, you get to have one option that is customization option. So very few websites offer you customizability option. Here you get to have a customization option. You can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize your gadget accordingly, whatever way you like, you can customize it. Now let us search this gadget in this search icon so that we know about this search, this gadget specifically. So either you can type the full name or you can type normal. So we have typed HP Mini and this is here. So this is the result out here, and talking about the results, you get to have a small description at the top and a small description at the bottom. Along with that, you also get to see that there is a product type condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition first. Refurbished products and brand new products, if we talk about these products, then we can say they are quite same products out there. They have absolutely similar structures. We can say the same design, the same functionalities. As well as when we talk about refurbished products and brand new products, then we can say that refurbished products are nothing else, or the certified refurbished products are nothing else, but they are absolutely brand new like. Yes, they are absolutely brand new like products. And talking about the conditions out there, then the products are pre-owned gadgets. Yes, if you talk about the gadgets, then you can say that the gadgets are pre-owned. You get to see that the gadget has been owned once by a user out there. But when we talk about brand new, then they are directly from the company itself. You do not get to see the pre-ownization in the brand new products. Talking about the brand new products and talking about the refurbished products, let us talk about the both the categories, both the gadgets out there. They are same structure, the same functionality, same design out there. As well as the refurbished products are tested and approved gadgets and how they are done. So let us quickly see that. Talking about the testing and everything, before that we come to the market out there. Like what kind of differences it offers. We already know that brand new products are absolutely new. They are directly from the company itself. Whereas refurbished products are pre-owned gadgets. Now what are these pre-owned gadgets? Talking about the brand new products, then they are from the company. That is the main source of the company out here, which launches that gadget into the marketplace for the users for the very first time. Now once the gadget is launched in the market, it is released out in the market, then it has to be sold to the users out there. So it has been sold to the user. Now user have this gadget. What happens that the gadget is not so appropriate that we don't want to use it. We want to resell it. We want to get rid of it, and we want to have another source, another gadget now. So this gadget, the pre-owned gadget out here, is resold to another marketplace. Uh, this reselling process, or we can say this whole process now, the extension of brand new, is known as refurbished process. Now this user sells it off to the marketplace to the new user. Now, in short, if you have to describe, then we can say that refurbished product is nothing else but the extension to brand new. Yes, whereas the brand new ends, the user ends out there with own of a gadget. It is launched out to another site, another place where it is again resold to another user. So this is known as refurbishness. Now, there is a difference out there. Where does the difference lies? The difference mainly lies out in the testing sites. It's not like the testing parameter differs. No, testing parameters are absolutely same. They are absolutely same. But you get to see that these gadgets out here offers you a different site for parameter on the sites for testing out there. Just like brand new, we know that brand new testing is done on various sites because there are different sites before launching it to test about that gadget. Whereas refurbished products or the pre-owned gadgets, if they have to be tested, they are tested on the same site, same place where they have been sold and going to be reselling their gadgets. So this is the place where it has to be tested. Now let us move to the testing parameters, because we know there is absolutely same design out here. Along with that, you also get to see that they offer you the same parameters, same functionality. So talking about the parameters, there are different testing parameters out there. Talking about these parameters, then we can say that the parameters are actually divided into two major categories, that are the external parameters and the internal parameters. Yes, you get to have external and internal parameters out there. Now, talking about these external parameters and internal parameters, the major difference lies out in the techniques. External parameters are directly through the eyes. We do not require any softwares or specialized tool out there. We can say that's a very quick process, like we just get through it. Whereas the internal parameters are slightly long process, like we can say it is slight time consuming as compared to external. Along with that, it requires internal components checking, it requires software, specialized softwares, it requires tools out there. So it requires a lot of things. Now let us talk about these parameters also, because parameters also plays an important role. And when we talk about the parameters, then we can say that external parameters require the external gadgets, the design out there specifically. Externally, what we see in a gadget, externally we get to see that a gadget has a good display or not, buttons are intact or not. You get to see the power jacks out there, the jack systems out there, everything. Scratches, everything related to scratches has to be checked, like display has scratch or not, whether the backside had a scratch or not, or what. Every gadget needs to check out that. Apart from that, then it has checked out the integrated webcam. The webcam is working properly or not. The touchpad is working or not. Key are working on, like all the keys on the keyboard are working properly or not. Along with that, it has to be checked that whether it's taking time for shutting down and restarting. Like these kind of things has to be checked. Like the battery has to be checked, in short. So overall, you can say that all the things which can be checked out through eyes, which are not time consuming, can be called in the or categorized under the external parameters. Now talking about the internal parameters, these require the internal components. Yes, this require the internal components out here. Talking about the internal components, then we can say that the internal components are like the CPU, GPU out there, chip system, internal graphic processor out there, the storage out there, RAM, cache memory, connectivities out there, speakers inbuilt in it, microphones out there, resolution out there, the data wiping and storage out there. So everything which are the internal basic components out there, they have to be checked. And these require actually some specialized softwares. For like connectivity, we need a specialized software to check the speed and the connections out there. So every internal components require a specialized thing to check its own. That's why we say it's slightly time consuming out there. Now, when every category is checked, every parameter is checked, how does it happen and what happens after that? Now, once it is checked out, it is categorized as refurbished or certified refurbished. Both are same. Both the categories remain the same, refurbished and certified refurbished. Now, what happens is when you have a certified refurbished product or a refurbished product, they have to pass every category. But if they fail in any one, then it has to be renewed. Yes, it has to be renewed out there. It has to be replaced with the original part. You have to replace that particular part with the original part from the company itself. Now, once it is done out there, what are the benefits? Like why we are talking about this gadget? Why we are talking about refurbished products? There are few benefits associated with it, along with, or we can say, because of which it is slightly preferred from brand new. Now, when we talk about the benefits, then we can say that it offers you pocket friendly rates. Yes, number one is the pocket friendly rate out here. Offered here is the pocket friendly rate of the gadgets. Because brand new products offers you slightly expensive, we can say, pricing. Like we can say overall brand new are slightly expensive gadgets out there. Whereas the same gadget under the condition of refurbished is quite pocketable. There is a difference in the pricing out, so you get to have a savings also. Like if you have a difference of around 100 or 200, then also you get to save a lot. So when you have a brand new and a refurbished product, there is a huge difference in the pricing, so there is a great saving associated with it. But what happens to the brand new products is that they offer you 1 year warranty period. Along with that, you get to have a exchange policy also. But does refurbished product offer you the same? We can see that refurbished products offer you 6 months warranty period. Along with that, it offers you 7 exchange policy. Yes, 6 months warranty and 7 exchange policy could be seen out here. So that's why we say that refurbished products offer you a great variety, a great range of uh, things out there, because warranty भी है, less price भी है, savings भी है. You get to have a lot of things out there. So now moving on to the site back, let us try out that site once again and check whether it offers you the same things or not. So this is the site we were talking about, and the site name is justatclick.com. Justatclick.com, naam se hi pata chal raha hai, from the name itself it is clear. Just at a click, you're just a click away from your favorite gadgets out there. And when we talk about the gadgets, then we can see the gadgets out here are offered in a very good pocketable rates. You get to have a warranty period, as it already offers you 6 months warranty period is offered out here. You get to have a huge savings. You get to have great deals. Great deals means they are offering you your gadgets in a best pocketable deal. Along with that last section, like you get to have a large collection of your gadgets. Like there are n number of gadgets from reputed brands out there. Apart from that, you get to see that this site out here offers you, along with that, free home delivery. Yes, this site offers you free home delivery. It offers you money back guarantee, that is the exchange policy out here. Along with that, online support system is offered out. Apart from that, it offers you COD, like free shipping के साथ साथ COD भी मिल रही है. You get to have COD and free shipping out here. Shipping की बात करें तो it might take a difference out there. It might be differing, like if you have customized your gadget, it might take slightly longer time. Whereas usually it takes 48 hours for most parts of UAE, whereas 1 week time for Saudi. Coming back to the site, we can say that this site, which is justatclick.com, yes, the site justatclick.com, offers you customizability option. Yes, this site offers you customizability option so that you can customize your gadget. Now, how does customization occurs? Customization occurs through RAM customization, storage, or the hard drive storage, processing out there, all the things which could be customized or have been customized by the company. जो भी options available होते हैं, they you can customize accordingly. So you can check out the website for your favorite gadgets out there, as well as you can check out whichever gadget you want to customize accordingly. Because if it is possible, then you can customize your gadget according to your needs. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.